Hey guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we start a new project. So we make a small video game for Halloween. Halloween is coming. It's gonna be pretty fun. So we try to make Halloween characters move around, and we're gonna have our cat. So our cat to go up and down to avoid the Halloween character. So the first thing we're gonna do, so we're gonna code the cat. We have here the sprite one, so we can call it cat 2. Depends what you want to do. And let's go have some fun. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to events, and we're gonna grab this first block here. When we click on the flag, so this is when you get started. And from there, we're gonna have the cat. So the cat is a big, so I want to change the side of the cat. So we go to looks, and go there and set size. So let's go to set size to let's try 60. See how it goes. So alright, let me click on it, see how I go. Alright, that's good. 60 is good, so gonna have that. So I want to be able to move the cat up and down, and to do that, up and down. So I want to be able to move it up and down like this. So I want to be able to do that. So to do that, that's what I'm going to do. All right, to do that, 1 second. You go back there. To do that, I go there. I choose the forever loop, and I put something like this. So if I click. If I click on I go to sensing. If I click on the up arrow, so I want it to go up, and if I click on the down arrow, I want it to go down. So we're gonna try that. So let me do that. So go to sensing. If key up arrow is pressed, I want the cat to move up. So I go to motions, and I go to change Y. So because we have up, because we have up this way and down this way. All right, so I can do a duplicate of that, and I'm gonna change up for down, and all right, let me stop that, and I put -10 there, so we can see what it looks like. Just give it a try. -10. So that's what it looks like. And now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it here and start clicking on the up and down to see what we have here. Alright, I click on the green flag, and I click on up and down, so you can see it's moving. So guys, that's the first move we have in this code. Now that we're here, let's do something else. Let's add another character. Alright, we're here, click here, and we're looking for Halloween character. So that's what we need. And for that, I move it here. And here we click on search. We can search here, and we type Halloween. So we need to do Halloween. Alright, Halloween. And let's get the skeleton. So that's the 4 characters we have for it, and we just click on skeleton. Alright, here. Alright. 1 second. There we go. Voilà, so we got the skeleton. So we do the same thing again for the skeleton. We reduce the side of the skeleton, and we go from there. All right. Let's go back to it. And now we go to the code. We click on the skeleton here, and we go to the code. So we have the code for the cat. So now we want the code for the skeleton. So we do the same thing. All right. All right. So we go to events. When I click on the green flag, set size. In looks, we go to look, set size. Let me put it at maybe 50. Is it good enough? Click on start. Yeah, maybe put 47. Is that gonna make a difference? Voila. Alright, so it seems to be good. Put the code there. Alright guys, that's one thing. So now what we try to do, we try to make the skeleton start on this side and go there. On this side, go there. This side, go there. And disappear all the time. Okay, and so what we need to do, we need to move the cat like this so the cat can avoid the skeleton. So that's the project. One last thing I forgot with the cat is to place the cat. When we click on start, we want to have the cats just right here, around here, so we can see the coordinates here, which is a good thing. All right. We go there. Motion, go to that position. So we have it done. So it's done. Now we're gonna code for the skeleton. First thing we're gonna do a forever loop for the skeleton. So we put the size on. Alright, we're gonna let another one click on the green flag. We get the forever loop, and we want it to go on that side. So when we move it here, so we have it like 2.4, 2.11. The more you push it, the more the change. So I want to put it around 1050. Let's do that. So I go to motions and go to put that like this. I'm going to put 250, and I want it to be between. I want it to move to appear randomly on the y-axis and go on and move on the x-axis toward the cat. So I want it to be a random there. Alright, so I can go there, get operator, and let me say pick random. I put pick random here, minus 140 to 120. Alright, I want that forever loop here. No, I put it just right here. Sorry. And I put it here. So I want it to get started on the right side of the screen, and move and pick a random position on Y and move toward the cat. And I want it to repeat that until you reach the side, the X side, the left side, I mean, on over here. So it's going to be about minus 205. So I'm gonna put minus to 30. That's just me. I can do that. Okay, let's do that. So repeat. I'm gonna repeat that until. Repeat until. Alright. So you go to operator. Inferior, we get that one. You say minus to 30, right? Minus to 30. No, X position of that skeleton be inferior to that. Okay. So we want the X position. I put it just right here. Change X by minus 10. Let's do that. So we can go change X by minus. Say by minus 6. That should be it. There you go, guys. From now on, we want another one. There we go. So now we need to do to try that. That's it. Alright guys, let's go. Alright, I can. There you go. Up. See, it's moving. Alright. Alright, let me stop it, guys. I can change the speed for how fast it moves. Let me show you that. How this can be done. Let me put minus 12, minus 10. Let me do minus 10. Alright, let me move that thing around. And let's see how fast it goes this time. Alright, let me click on. Alright, you see it goes faster, guys, so you can really adapt. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, that was our first game for Halloween. So that's part 1. So for the second part, let me stop it. For the second part, I will add a score to it. And I make some noise when we touch the cat. So that will be all about that. And I had a score. So once it touches the cat, so the score kind of increase for the skeleton. So that was it, guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Please leave some comment. So if any improvement needs to be done, if you like something, and give it a like and share it with people that you think may like it. Alright guys, see you another time for a new tutorial. Thank you.